So I'd put it in three buckets.
Okay.
I'll echo the sentiment around the table. I think the key is to focus on user needs.
Yeah.
And by the way, across the life cycle of an event and across all of the different roles that our emergency responders play throughout their workday. You know, our CTO's office tells us all the time, sometimes our first responders, they can't tell you what they do because they've been trained and it's just muscle memory for them.
Yeah.
But if you watch them long enough, they'll show you.
Right.
So we spend a lot of time doing ride-alongs, focusing, just watching them do their jobs and looking for ways to improve. I think the second thing, you mentioned it with the example of the radio, is keep it simple.
Right.
Our emergency responders tell us all the time that, you know, their jobs are many times,
Yeah.
you know, add hours of boredom or routine followed by moments of urgency.
And
right?
it's got to work quick, and I got to push a button, and it's got to work.
Well, and I need to know how to use it in those moments of terror when my cognitive ability, you know, just muscle memory kicks in. I'm not really thinking, so it's got to be simple. I think the third thing would be to learn from the examples of the past or the lessons learned from the past. I was reading an article last week about the evacuations up in Fort McMurray up in Canada in the oil fields with the fires up there. There was a university that did a study of all of the requests that were coming on all of the various applications. What they found was 88% of the things that people were looking for, where's food, where's water, where's gas, none of those were supported in the applications that were in use by the public safety or by the public. So I think part of it is, while they may be telling us what they think they want, watching them and really understanding, leveraging the data from other exercises can help us understand, well, here's what we really need to build into the app because here's what people really care about.
That's an excellent point.